In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for personal tasks. We'll set up a clean focus board you can use to capture to-dos, organize them into groups, and keep track of progress without any overwhelm. Start on the Monday.com homepage. From the left side, open your workspaces. Think of workspaces as folders for different areas of your life or work. Creating your personal board inside the right workspace keeps everything easy to find later. At the top of that panel, click the plus sign to create something new and choose board. A board is the core place where your tasks live. If you're ever unsure, remember that boards hold items, columns, and groups, the building blocks of your personal system. Give your board a clear name, like personal tasks or home projects. Names that start with a verb or category make search faster down the road. Next, choose a privacy setting. For personal planning, private is usually best, so only you can see it. If you ever want to collaborate with a partner or friend, you can change this later. You'll be asked what you're managing on this board. Pick the option that fits, then select Tasks. This loads a simple task-friendly structure so you don't have to build from scratch. Finally, click Create Board. In a moment, you'll land on your new workspace with a ready-to-use layout. Now add your first item using the new task field. Keep item names short and action-oriented, like pay electricity bill or draft trip itinerary. You can always open an item later to expand details, add notes, or attach files. Update the group title to match how you plan your day or week. Many people use groups such as today, this week, and later, or organized by areas like home, health, and finance. Clear group names make scanning your board effortless. When you need another section, use Add New Group. This is perfect for separating upcoming projects, recurring errands, or goals you're tracking. As your list grows, move items between groups to reflect priorities instead of rewriting tasks. That's it. You've created a personal task board in Monday.com, chosen the right privacy level, loaded a task-ready layout, and learned how to add items and structure your groups. Keep it simple at first, review it daily, and as your needs evolve, you can customize columns like status, dates, or owners to refine your workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your personal tasks with a board that works the way you do.